today I'm going to teach you guys quality assurance, QA, QC, whatever you want to call it. What do we need? How do we do it? Is there a specific way, or is it just, hey, just go do whatever we do? I'm going to show you how we do it. And now we're headed to the bathroom. I promised you a QA at the bathroom. I always stop before I go in the bathroom and I'll literally look at it. Like, is it clean? If these are stainless steel, this looks clean, but if I put my light on it, you can see the handprints. It's not clean. So they missed it. Or you'll have a lot of these handprints all through here. Or you'll just have dust on the door. That's not bad, really. So let's go into the bathroom. I'm doing the same way that I did everywhere else. I'm picking something and I'm going to go in a circle, high to low. Now, bathrooms is a lot to check. First things first is touch points. So if you wanted to, you could hit a bunch of stuff. Light switch, that's fine. And I'm looking at my sinks. Sinks are kind of strange because I'm looking for two things when I look at sinks. I'm seeing if it's clean, and then do I need to descale the sink? So what I mean by descale, do I need to put acid in it? Does it look fine? And this sink here is dirty. It's got dirt here. This totally needs to be descaled. These things are bad. And then I'm looking at the mirror. As you can see the mirror, this is really dirty through here. And then coming back around, looking at these little bases that get dirty. Of course, this is an area, you keep seeing me run my hand here. This is an area in most bathrooms that people just don't touch. They'll clean the toilets, they'll clean the urinals. They're missing walls, tops of walls, stalls, tops of stalls. And then, of course, top of the urinal is dirty. So I have to wash my hands after this one. Another thing we look for when we're checking, we'll stand back and we'll look at the front of the urinal, because people like through here, as you can see here, they're missing the toilet and it's dripping down. So then we'll come into our stalls. Things I look for: bottoms, right? Tops. And then I'll just literally stay on my wall, be like, okay, that's good. And then come in through here. That's gross. That's gross. That's really dirty. And then bases. So like your bases of the toilet, somebody just doesn't like to flush. Nico. Here's another, the people don't like to get on their hands and knees. So the base of the toilet is something that gets missed a lot. And again, the front here. So if you're someone that doesn't like to touch everything, you got to get a flashlight. And it does help with your photos if you're helping people clean. And of course, rails. And these things are another thing that a lot of people miss. But again, if you stay on your wall, it's going to tell you what to look at. So you're looking for anything dusty, anything dirty. These get missed quite a bit because people just don't get them, I guess. And then, of course, your fan. And I'm coming back over here. Back to my sink. If it has a P-trap underneath it, a lot of times the P-trap is dirty. So keep an eye on there. And then, of course, your trash cans. We're open today, so there's going to be trash in the trash cans. But stainless steel's not done, things like that.